I bought a 250F a while ago, and hopefully the plastic they gave me fits this 450R. Let's see. Tiny old BW. Looks like it might. Take it over there and see. No, they wouldn't fit. Some order new plastic for it. This came with it. Damn, starts first kick, dude. So, CRF450, 2013. I got some new plastics. I had a couple new mufflers. Somebody. This is what happens when you ride above your skill level. You're gonna trash your mufflers. So fuel injected 450. Let's see how it looks when we're all done. Pull these ones off, huh? Let's do that first. A couple 12 mils and a pair of pliers by the looks of it. See what kind of header pipes we're looking at. Dude, I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier. Fix the exhaust. Now the mufflers aren't messed up. Oh shoot, two more pieces here. Get that blade. Two more down. One more down. There you go. Careful. Then we'll get your fingers, boy. Let me start. We got some plastics for the CRF right here. Let's see how good they look. First glance. Go. Put them scissors back, buddy. Right back where you got them. Close the drawer. Now close the drawer. There you go. Ooh. New. New. Dang, pretty nice. Right? Pretty sweet. Here, set them all right up there on the table. Nice. Side fenders. There we go. Nice. Nice. What else we got? Back fender, side fenders, some stickers. Yeah, get them stickers out of there for me. Oh, look, it's like Mom made it on a piece of Oracle. Turn it over. Yeah, we got that stuff in the house. Go throw that in the dumpster for me, okay? Yoshi mufflers, probably $600 for those two. These $34 on Amazon. They come with a little, they come with this little adapter here. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Get in here to the pipe. This is how it'll come packaged to you. You know, if I posted that bike with those mufflers and new plastic, it wouldn't look so good. And basically you would look at it and you'd say, oh, well, it needs a whole $1,000 Yoshi exhaust. Well, it's got the Yoshi header. And now we're putting on this here. So as you can see, that's not gonna work. This ain't gonna work. So what I did was I chopped off, I run it back a few millimeters, and now it's gonna be tighter than the Yoshi fit. Boom, right there. Pipe goes on, muffler bracket, springs, Yoshi sticker, done. Show you what it looks like here in a minute. All right. Busted you. Oh. Busted you. It's mostly dirt. It's a dirt muffler. Oh my God. Here's the old muffler. Like nobody ever knew. Come on. Yoshi's, Amazons. We'll make them work. Oh my goodness, you guys. That'll work. Shoot, it's gonna have to, you know. It's gonna have to work. Some Yoshi stickers, we should be in business. Got the wife making some Yoshi stickers. This thing's looking more appropriate. So I did the math. I got these white cans at Orchelon's the other day for $17 each. With the spouts, the ones on Amazon, like for a 4-pack was $160. I can literally fill those up and still get them cheaper.
Free gas.
Yeah, dude, for exactly. They all come full for less than that. 6 gallons, about 18 bucks a piece to fill them up. That's 35 for a full can of gas and the can versus a $40 empty VP can.
Right.
Run over to your local Orchelons if you have one.
Turn on a VP.
I'm gonna start selling them. Just put time machines on them.
Yeah.
I'll probably have it turned off by the time you go over there. I'll probably have it clapped out and whatnot. Okay, now you're playing.
Quit playing. Hey.
Yeah, I almost wrecked over there. No, you don't want to put it in the back of that truck because you bumped it. See if my Amazon mufflers are slapping or not. Hope not. It's got all squirrely. Got him. Brakes warmed up. Yeah. Pretty easy going other than that, right? Ooh, couple Amazon mufflers. We left the baffles in. It's pretty quiet, but
Yeah.
that and some new plastics. Bike looks pretty good. He said he just had the suspension done and a couple other things. Put tires on it. Feels good, right?
Yeah.
We just need to bleed that front brake a little bit later.
Yeah.
But yeah. Dang, dudes.
Sweet bike, dude.
Right? Starts pretty easy too. Is that a little oil right there? Show is. Just on the valve cover, that's actually.
No.
Yeah, well, it's easiest at least. Probably just didn't torque it down enough.
Yeah.
We'll just put hella orange
Probably
RVT.
stripped out.
Yeah, if we get if we get enough RVs, like he tightened it all right.
Yeah.
We'll just RVT the whole thing. like the side cover on this. So when you guys see the orange, you'll know. You're gonna have a bad time. You'll know.
We got the China shit in there.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, guy, I wouldn't even get a gasket. Sweet.
Say that $10.
Yeah, for sure. Well, hell, what did I get this with? Oh, this crusty old 3-wheeler out here. I got it with this 250R that runs. We're gonna post a video of it separately. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Check it. My wife made me some stickers. Like nobody ever knew. And be sure and get up in there. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you all had a good time with your families, and we got a lot more videos coming. Thanks.